मुझे थोड़ा अपने करंट प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बता सकते हो एंड व्हाट आर द अदर प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर कमिंग इन?
सो अभी हमारे पास जो मार्केट रेडी कैटलॉग है दैट इज ऑफ स्मार्ट स्विचेस. सो दोज आर रेट्रोफिट स्मार्ट स्विचेस ओनली. तो बेसिकली व्हाट आई मीन बाय रेट्रोफिट इज कि जो घरों में एग्जिस्टिंग पैनल्स जो होते हैं, तो द वायरिंग दैट गोज बिहाइंड देम, सो वी आर हमारे जो स्मार्ट स्विचेस हैं उनकी भी सेम वायरिंग होती है. सो इट इज बेसिकली अ प्लग एंड प्ले सिचुएशन.
ओके.
जहाँ पे जो आपके एग्जिस्टिंग स्विचेस होंगे, वी विल रिप्लेस दोज एग्जैक्ट वंस with exact similar size, with exact sizing. And what we will do is आपका निकाला and बस हमने अपना switch panel डाल दिया. So it's as simple as that. There is no sort of a construction or a rewiring required.
Okay.
Or like let's say कि a repainting or a wall kind of a thing, ऐसा कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है. जो existing जो panels होते हैं, we just remove that and we'll plug our own.
तो लेट्स से मेरे घर में मैंने आपसे ये स्विचेस लगवाए एंड नाउ आई हैव द ऐप ऑन माय फोन, सो आई कैन कंट्रोल all the lights, basically
lights, fans, ACs, geezers.
Okay.
Yeah. And
but that also means कि फिर मुझे अपने geezers और fans ये सब okay, fan is working through the switch, but कुछ device मतलब जो equipments है, home equipments, वो भी update करने पड़ेंगे, or will they work?
No. So basically let's say it's an AC or a geyser, right? So unka bhi like there's a specific point or like on a panel, right? So we'll just replace that panel with our own panel, and then what you can do is you can, once the panel is installed, you can configure that panel on your mobile application कि okay, this is the ये सारे points जो हैं lights के हैं, this one is for geyser, this one is for fan, this one is for light.
Okay, great. तो इस केस में द ऐप, द एप्लीकेशन, कैन इट ऑल्सो गिव मी नोटिफिकेशंस और सजेशंस दैट योर गीजर इज ऑन फॉर 10 minutes, प्लीज स्विच इट ऑफ, लाइक?
So basically we will be giving you notifications अगर कोई there's a unusual detect, like there's a unusually long time से अगर कुछ heavy appliance चल रहा है, let's say an AC or a geyser, कि so basically आजकल भी we are seeing that there are a lot of fire incidents that are being caused, which are mostly being caused because ACs and geysers जो हैं बहुत लंबे टाइम तक चले रह जाते हैं. And ACs I still feel कि बंदा समझ जाता है कि ओके चलो AC चल रहा है तो बंद कर दे because the room gets colder. Geysers में यही चीज नहीं पता चलती कभी कभार, especially in winters and especially during those mornings when you are, when there's an urgency and you are late and आपको जल्दी काम पे जाना है, so sometimes आप भूल जाते हो कि हाँ गीजर बंद करना था. I think this one thing is very common, especially with me as well, कि मैं अभी कभी कभार भूल जाता हूँ कि गीजर बंद करना, because it is sometimes very easy to forget जब आपका दिमाग कहीं और हो या फिर ऐसी जल्दबाजी में करना भूल गए. So in those scenarios you can obviously you can go back on your mobile application to check कि गीजर ऑन है कि नहीं, and even if it is that is not the case, तो हम आपको एक टाइम के बाद नोटिफिकेशन दे ही देंगे कि 2-3 घंटे से गीजर चल रहा है, डू यू नीड इट टू बी टर्न्ड ऑफ, एंड देन बेसिस ऑन योर आंसर वील टर्न इट ऑफ.
तो अभी तक तो दिस इज साउंडिंग वेरी वेरी यूजफुल टू मी. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द अदर प्रोडक्ट्स, आईसैक एंड ऑरा मैंने पढ़ा था, तो वो क्या है?
Yeah, so basically Aura is coming the fall of this year only. So basically बाहर का data we are very well known of. Newspapers, Instagram news, all of them they do give us a very good data of कि बाहर क्या चल रहा है, कि बाहर कितनी AQI है, कितना टेम्परेचर है, कितना ह्यूमिडिटी है, and obviously that part of the data is alarming when it is high, but sometimes on days of good AQI that necessarily is not the case जब घर के inside भी. तो घर का जो अंदर का जो डेटा है, environment data, by environment data I mean temperature, humidity, the AQI. So वो चीज जो है वो काफी unknown है, which Indians are not really aware of कि उनके घर पे actually में क्या कितनी AQI खराब है. So that is something that now we are solving with Aura, where we would be able to give a very comprehensive report of what actually is going inside your home, because curtains होते हैं, curtains, rugs, these accumulate dust over a period of time. Right. So they also cause the AQI to rise up. So that is something which we are not really aware of जब तक let's say दिवाली की सफाई नहीं होती, no one really knows or cares about कि कितनी dust है. And even if दिवाली की सफाई के जब भी अगर कोई टाइम आता है तो दे डोंट रियली नो कि इवन दीज थिंग्स आर इम्पैक्टिंग देयर हेल्थ. There is also a case of carbon monoxide as well. So basically, if the carbon monoxide levels, if they go beyond a certain limit, they can cause you to hallucinate as well.
Yeah.
Now that is not really the case. That is not very like a very popular case in India. But बाहर जो जैसे in countries like USA, there is a very major problem of increasing carbon monoxide inside the houses.
Yeah.
So that is something that now we are solving with Aura as well, because what our vision is ki okay, we are now developing in India for India, but our vision obviously is to sort of go outside as well and make products for other countries too, and not just India. So that is what our ambition is as well. So this is the one that is coming the fall of this year. And
तो Aura एक smart air purifier है.
It's not an air purifier, it's just an environment sensor, just giving you a very
Environment
comprehensive
sensor, okay.
report of what is happening inside your home.
Okay.
Now obviously the very immediate usage that you can do with this data is, so let's say you prefer a certain temperature range of your room. So what you can do is कि if there is, let's say कि अगर आपके कमरे में Aura लगा हुआ है, so what you can, and हमारे Luma Smart panels भी लगे हुए हैं, तो what you can do is कि okay, you want कि जैसे ही टेम्परेचर आपके कमरे का 20 डिग्री से नीचे जाता है तो AC बंद हो जाए, and जैसे ही it goes above 28 or 30 degrees तो AC on हो जाए. So that is also something that you would be able to automate with this entire like package. कि आपको you base, because sometimes even this happens with me as well कि मैं when I go to sleep मैं AC चला दूंगा and then you know.
Okay, so is it something ये जो आपने setting बोली AC की that I can fix, or is it something that,
that
it is learning on
that
its
is
own?
completely dependent on you only कि आपको कौन सा
Okay.
temperature पे करवाना, like what is your comfortable temperature.
ठीक है, तो right now the control is with me, it's not an
Yeah,
AI
yeah.
agent who's
No,
deciding.
it's not with AI. आपको ही बताना पड़ेगा कि आपको कौन सा टेम्परेचर रेंज पे आपको AC ऑन एंड ऑफ चाहिए. बिकॉज मतलब दिस इज समथिंग विद मी एज वेल कि मैं जब रात में सोऊंगा तो मैं AC चला दूंगा, एंड इवन दो आई विल बी शिवरिंग थ्रू आउट द नाइट, आई विल बी जस्ट टू लेजी टू एक्चुअली टर्न ऑफ द AC. एंड कभी मतलब this happens with me a lot. This happens with my siblings as well कि कभी कभी just forget to turn off the AC. And I feel like this would be an actual solution, because this would not compromise your electricity bill, so not your comfort, but it will actually look after your electricity bill as well. The consumption would be managed now as per your comfort.